Your Majesties, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for returning. Trust you and yours are well, and you're loving yourself and others like always. Many thanks to all of you for the support you give to the channel. Thank you so much to our channel members, to our anonymous supporters, to all of you, my esteemed subscribers. You loved, celebrated, and of course, appreciated. So, I have something here for you today, something special, something important. I want us to have some little discussion about a book that is launched. It's there. You can always get it on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link at the description box or at the comment section so you get to this book. Now, I just want to show you what this book has, the richness in this book. I believe a lot of you will be wondering, especially those of you who have identified or who are now aware that you have some connection to Africa. You would want to have a taste or have some recipes to African delicacies, African dishes of different countries in the motherland. That sounds good, right? Yeah. Those of you who've been here for quite some time, you know I've been having some discussions about Seed in Africa here. For some of you who did subscribe to their website, you are also aware of the job that they do to preserve African seed, organic food in the continent of Africa. Their fight against GMO. So the good news is that the founder of Seed in Africa, Ebu Mama Edwina, has produced a book. She's launched a book, and that book is about African food. When I say African delicacies, I mean delicacies of different countries in the continent. The 54 countries of the motherland, different delicacies from these countries. She have picked them, like she handpicked the special ones, and she have brought to us the recipes. So you can be anywhere in the world and have a taste of the food of the country where you originate from. Is this not beautiful? Is this not wonderful? Your Majesties, I'm going to be leaving you with, a look into this book while we have some serious discussions, right? So in this book, you have delicacies, you have recipes, rather recipes for starters, you have recipes for main courses, you have recipes for desserts. Everything all in this book, not left out. And the price was so cheap. I don't know, but I've not told her myself that this is too cheap for the kind of knowledge that is in this book. And it's limited, and the earlier you grab one for yourself, the better. So you can be anywhere and have a taste of the local dishes of the country of origin or your country of origin. Now, among those who had inspired her into putting down this masterpiece are the likes of Pierre Lumumba, the likes of Bishop Mapunga, the likes of Dr. Mumbi Seraki. So these are household names, right? She have delicacies of different countries in the motherland, from Algeria to Zimbabwe. The whole countries in the continent, there are delicacies of these countries in this book. Very, very rich, that you would not regret having a hold of. This book also comprises of the histories of all these countries mentioned, from Algeria to Zimbabwe, the whole 54 countries in the motherland. The histories of this country, how they became a sovereign nation, the histories are also in this book. That's why I said this book is so rich that I wouldn't want you to miss out on this very one. It is good that you get to Amazon and pick a copy for yourself. I'm going to leave the name, the link, everything at the description box so that you get a hold of it, Your Majesties.